Hi everyone, today let's learn how to sharpen your knives. Please keep your knife and stone sharpener ready and we are good to go. As you can see two sides, one side with blue color is soft and the other side is grain. So first round we are going to start with coarse side. Please follow as I am doing in the video. Do it for 4-5 times. You can check the knife how sharp is it and feel the difference. Now we go for another side, the smooth side. Why we follow this method? Because it make our knife smooth, clean and razor sharp edges. This is the perfect way to sharpen your knife, which we follow in our fine dining kitchen. Please follow this method and you will have a sharp knives in your kitchen.